boyfriend is in debt.
Boyfriend comes and go, but Birkin is forever. No more diamond, a girl's best friend.
Trying to sell as much stuff I can. I already managed to get 400,000.
Oh, wow.
Such hats that make some men that is supposed to be successful to become lazy. Do you want to groom him to be lazy? Most of you ladies are the problem we have. Error, girl. Is not your son. Some of you will hate me for this, but I would say my truth anyways. I'm about to go out with my husband this evening. I just saw this video and I decided to share this before we step out. How do I look? Boyfriend comes and goes, but Birkins is forever. If you know the struggle, how you can get a Birkin, you would agree with me. It is no longer diamonds are girl's best friend, but it's Birkin, baby. Read the lines. My ladies, stop helping him figure out how to solve his problems. I'm very sure he didn't ask you because that's not your job. Stop feeling bad. Selling your properties, bags, jewelries, including your piece, just to fix him. My lady is a man that was able to buy you a Birkin. It means he knows how to figure out his life. Just be there for him emotionally, but keep him on his toes. And trust me, he will figure it out. I just hope this man is worth all this, because some men, are we even sure the man is in debt? Because some men, they act ugly as F once everything is back to normal. A real man who lost his money on a business can easily make it back because he made that money himself. The only thing you need to do for this man, give him peace for a while by giving him a good massage, a good meal, and 8 hours sleep to reset his brain, for him to think, to figure out what next to do, and stop crying, shaking. He might go to jail. He lost his money. It's not your duty. If you rest, that is how he gets a reset for new business idea. But wait, why should you even go to this extent, my lady? Were you the one that made him fail? Were you the one that introduced him to this business? Because I do not understand. Please, ladies, stop dating for the wrong reasons. Because what you're doing now, if you have something beautiful going on, you just spoiled it for yourself, to be honest. Because many men, they do not want a lady's money in their startup plan, even if they were the one that gave you the money before. If he get back to a fit, you might see the other side of him. And I don't even see a ring there on your finger. So what is this forwardness for, my lady? Always remember, you are his woman, not just fully his woman, because you are still a girlfriend, you are not a wife. You are not his mom. Always remember that. Have it in your head. Give him a good massage, good sex, good food, and let him rest for 8 hours. Trust me, he will figure it out. Most of us that have men in our life that have difficulty before, when we give them space but keep them on their toe, they bounce back. It's only when he was not the original brain to that failed business, that's when you can be his mom, which I do not support any woman. Do not set up any broke man. No way. I will end with this, my ladies. Stop dating for the wrong reason. I don't even see a ring on your fingers. Always remember, you are the woman and not his mother. Now some people will say it's just a bag. Well, I just hope this guy, your boyfriend, wants this drama or this risk. Risk. Yes, if you are into buying MS, you would know that to get a bag, it's journey. Like case study for most people that do not want to go to the resale market. So after getting an Hermes, as long as it's not your husband, as long as he did not also ask for your help, well, he is not supposed to ask for your help. You are his woman, not his fixer. But if you don't ask for your help, stay at your corner, because now that he's vulnerable, you bring the money, he will take it, of course. But most men, after this phase pass, he has come back to his feet, he would not choose you. Men want women they can take care of, not the one that is murdering him. We have to be smart with our choices. You got a good man, but now you want to spoil him. High value men, they do not want you to contribute in fixing them. Masculine men, their ego is up here, very high. I wish you all the very best, and I would say this again, I just hope it doesn't ghost you when everything is fine, because in most cases, some men will love bomb you, treat you with all the beautiful, difficult things that is not easy to come by, and then they will collect from you more than what they give you, and they ghost you. This is why in this headquarters, we are not doing that. If it's a husband, I will say, such a good wife, maybe I should start learning. But girlfriend, even fiancé is not allowed. He's a man, not your project. So stop sacrificing your peace to fix him. A high value woman inspires and does not rescue. Do you understand that, my ladies? I don't envy you, but I wish you all the very best, my lady. Now, for one-on-one coaching, register on my website or buy a copy of my book, How to Go Out Alone, on Amazon. Let me teach you how to attract and keep your high caliber man. I'll see you on the next one.